the Director of Sales and Marketing at PGS360. We specialize in high-touch assembly and specialized fulfillment for different beauty and healthcare brands across the country. So something that makes us different, we're not any usual 3PL. We do a little bit more than usual 3PLs do. So we provide assembly projects, specialty fulfillment with a lot of retail compliance problems, and then DTC, B2B for our customers. We have 3 different locations in the United States, Pico Rivera, California, Fort Worth, Texas, and New Jersey as well, in Secaucus, New Jersey. So we do have a 40,000 square foot facility, assembly facility in Secaucus, New Jersey that's strictly just for assembly. So we take our customers' products in our fulfillment center in New Jersey, ship it to our assembly facility in Secaucus, New Jersey, and then produce their products there. We have 170,000 square feet in Pico Rivera, California. 80,000 of that is completely hazmat certified with in-rack sprinklers, aerosol rooms, and all of that to be hazmat certified for our customers. And we're looking to branch out and grow as our customers grow and venture into more industries as well. So just really pushing AI, pushing back-end support, 24/7 customer service with our global team, and we're really focused on growth for ourselves and our customers as well.